Open the hood. The air filter is located here. Use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the air hose clamp. There are 6 screws securing the housing. Remove the screws on the housing using a T20 Torx screwdriver. Lift the housing and remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Insert your new filter into the housing. Once the filter is fully flush with the edges, close the housing. Reinstall the screws. Retighten the hose clamp. Close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.